Most people work long hours, earn just enough to pay their bills, and never really get ahead. A study shows that 52% of people are burnt out from their 9-to-5 jobs, and nearly half of workers live paycheck to paycheck. But here's the thing. There are other ways to make money that don't trap you in this cycle. Some people are earning just as much, if not more, without being tied to a traditional job. The best part? They have time to actually enjoy their money. If you want to break free from the grind and start making money in smarter, more flexible ways, keep watching. Today, we're going to talk about 15 profitable and unconventional ways to make money that most people don't even know exist. So stay with me because you won't want to miss this. 1. Get paid to make the right introductions. Most people see introductions as simple networking. But in the luxury goods and collectibles world, introductions can be worth thousands of dollars. Wealthy collectors and business owners need someone to connect them to the right buyers, sellers, or partners. If you're social and have a strong network, you can charge fees for making high-value introductions. Think of it as being a network broker. You get paid to bring people together. 2. Design and plan a rich person's lifestyle. The wealthiest people in the world don't just want expensive things. They want perfectly curated experiences. They hire lifestyle designers to plan their daily routines, vacations, and even social activities. If you're good at organizing and understand luxury culture, you could become a lifestyle architect, helping high net worth individuals create their dream lives while getting paid handsomely for it. 3. Help people use AI to be more productive. AI is taking over the world, but many people don't know how to use it effectively. Businesses and professionals need guidance on which AI tools can help them work smarter, not harder. If you become an expert in AI productivity tools, you can offer coaching or consulting services to teach people how to save time and make more money with AI. 4. Become an ethical investment advisor. People want to grow their money, but many don't want to invest in industries that go against their values. Ethical investing is becoming more popular, and investors need guidance on where to put their money to support causes like clean energy, fair trade, and sustainable businesses. If you learn about ethical investment options, you can build a business helping others invest with purpose. 5. Charge a subscription fee for sharing your knowledge. People love learning from experts, and they're willing to pay to be part of a valuable community. Whether it's fitness, business, photography, or a hobby, you can create a subscription-based membership where you provide exclusive content, coaching, or networking opportunities. Platforms like Patreon, Substack, and even private Facebook groups make this easy to set up. 6. Ghostwrite for high-level executives. Many business leaders and influencers have great ideas but don't have time to write them down. That's where ghostwriters come in. If you're good at writing, you can get paid to create articles, books, or social media posts in someone else's voice. This service is in high demand, and experienced ghostwriters can charge thousands of dollars per project. 7. Curate the image of luxury brands. High-end brands need stunning visuals to attract premium customers. If you're a photographer, designer, or branding expert, you can specialize in working with luxury businesses. Instead of selling cheap stock photos, you can charge high prices for exclusive, high-quality images that brands use for their marketing. 8. Create and sell high-value data sets. Data is the most valuable asset in the digital world. Companies pay a lot for unique data that helps them make better business decisions. If you have skills in research, analytics, or even just data collection, you can create and sell niche data sets that businesses are willing to buy. 9. Capitalize on the demand for unique cultural experiences. People are looking for more than just vacations. They want unforgettable experiences. Whether it's a gourmet food tour, a luxury picnic, or a guided adventure, you can create and sell premium experiences to locals and tourists. With the rise of Airbnb experiences and social media marketing, it's easier than ever to promote unique events and attract customers. 10. Become an online auction specialist. Luxury items, rare collectibles, and even digital assets are constantly being bought and sold at online auctions. Many buyers need expert guidance to avoid scams and make smart purchases. By specializing in auction strategies and valuations, you can offer consulting services to high-end clients and earn commissions on deals. 11th, rent out luxury goods. Not everyone can afford to buy luxury items, but many are willing to rent them for special occasions. If you own high-end bags, watches, cameras, or designer outfits, you can rent them out and make money without selling them. Platforms like Turo for luxury cars and Rent the Runway for fashion make it easy to monetize expensive items. 12. Sell access to exclusive industry insights. Every industry has secrets that insiders know but outsiders struggle to find. If you work in a specialized field, you can sell industry reports, insider newsletters, or private coaching sessions to people who want access to your knowledge. Professionals and businesses will pay for high-value information that gives them a competitive edge. 13. Monetize niche communities. People love finding others who share their passions. Whether it's a group for sneaker collectors, tech enthusiasts, or entrepreneurs, you can build a niche online community and monetize it through sponsorships, paid memberships, or premium content. The key is to create a space where people feel connected and are willing to pay for exclusive access. 14. Start a business in the subscription economy. Subscription-based businesses are booming because they provide consistent income. Instead of selling one-time products, you can create a subscription box, an exclusive online service, or a membership site where customers pay regularly. This could be anything from a fitness coaching plan to a luxury skincare subscription. 15. Teach high-value skills. Online skills like copywriting, coding, social media growth, and even negotiation are highly valuable, and people are willing to pay to learn them. You don't need a degree, just experience and the ability to teach others. By creating an online course, offering coaching, or writing ebooks, you can make money by sharing what you know. The world is changing fast, and the traditional way of making money isn't the only way. If you want financial freedom and a life that gives you more time and choices, it's time to think differently. These 15 methods aren't just ideas. They're proven ways people are already making real money. The only question is, which one will you try? That's it for today. If you're ready to start building your wealth, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss out. Got any money goals or questions? Drop them in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Keep going, stay positive, and remember, you're not alone on this journey. This is Profitability Plus, and I'll see you in the next one.